Hi, today I am telling about UCam Perfect. UCam Perfect is the best camera application that you can find in internet for editing the pictures and taking photos. It has some benefits and tips for editing selfies using our applications. You can edit your selfies with the beauty tools in our application. From changing skin tone to shaping your face, body, YouCome Perfect provides all the advanced tools what we want to edit the picture. Now I will show you the features and how to use the beauty tools in your YouCam Perfect. We will invite you to download YouCam Perfect and try it yourself. Now I am going to the Play Store. Play Store and already I installed in my mobile. If anyone is not installed, install and make yourself. Open, see here, camera, photo edit, collage and more photo edit, and we will choose one photo from our gallery.
We sell the latest blouse designs or we sell designer churidars. Earn up to
Here are the tools for editing: premium, effect, animation, crop and rotate, removal, adjust, magic brush, HDR, instafit, frame, background, text, stickers, add photo, blur, brush, and Venigate, close and more. Here I am using crop and rotate because the photo is not perfect. I want to make perfect. And this is crop photo, and we will do effect, auto beautifying effect. We can use auto beautifying features to get the best looking photo right when you snap the picture. No photoshops is needed at all. You can perfect app provides real time skin beautization effect for beautiful selfie for us. Now I'm using portrait for this picture. For candy autotunes, you can perfect provide 14 real time skins. See here, I'm using soft light. Soft light is better for this photo. Here removal also having. If you don't want unnecessary backgrounds and if you want to remove, just use this. And I don't want this green, I want to remove this. Just see this how I do it. Just remove option. It was removed. Just do it. And this one is adjust. Adjust in explore, contract, temperature, tint and saturation. Shadow, for you need shadow, just see this. This is the shadow. And this one is magic brush in HDR. And take HDR. HDR having glow and edges, two options. If you want to edges will blur, take this move. The edges will blur and the photo will change into the drawing, like drawing. This one is glow. If you want to glow the picture, just see, it turns like this. Okay, this one is frame. If you want to take any frame, if you want to make a photo in a frame, just do it. Like this, we set the frame for the photo. Okay, next background. If you want take photo as a background, just go to the gallery and set the same photo as a background. See here, and this one is photo and background is also your photo. Like, see, we have so many backgrounds here, so many 14 backgrounds here, and this one is color. If you want to make a color in the background, just do it. Ratio is in photo size. Want to make Insta fit? See, Facebook fit, Twitter fit, YouTube. Like this we have, and I will choose this, like this one. So okay, I will make it. Go for the beautify. We have auto beautify. We will press means it will make automatically you will be beauty. Here effects, beautify, we have effects, smooth, face shaper, tone, nose, lip shaper, smile, teeth whiter, eye bag, eye larger, acne, blush, taller, body shaper, reshape, oil face, brightener, double lightener, red dye. We have this, and we will go with smooth. If you take this, see this one is edited pic and this one is original pic. We'll go with tone is, if you want to take this, I want to make a white. This one is original pic and this is edited pic. Okay, and this one is lip shaper size, width and height. If you want to make a lip in width, just stick width and make the width. If you want to height, just do this. And this is original pic and this is the edited pic. And this one is smile. If anyone is not smile in the photo, we will make it will be smile. Just see how it comes. See the original pic. It little bit smile and now it makes beautiful smile. Teeth, eye bags. See how the eye bags will remove from the photo. Eye bags will remove all the eye is little. So I want to eye larger. Press eye larger with height. See the difference from original pic and edited pic. This is the original pic taken from the gallery and this is the edited pic. Height and this one. Okay. This is one acne is checked. If you have any like moles, it will remove automatically. And this is the blush. You can perfect have the body shaper and taller also. This is the body shaper. If you want to a body shape, just try this. How this see. Like this. It's okay, I don't want this. Body shaper, oil free, contour, brightening, I want brightening eyes. That's why. See the original pic. From original pic to edited pic. Edited pic is best for seeing. Double eyelid. I'm trying double eyelid. From this photo, double eyelid is not good, I think. And this one is red eye. If you want a eye in a red color, change on and change off. We have a better future in UCam Perfect. See, UCam Perfect is best camera application that we can find in internet for editing only.